Welcome back to HFM.Parts channel. I'm Mike Anthony, and following our theme of increasing rigidity, in today's video we'll be working on our Toyota 86 by installing HFM differential spacers. So let's get to it. Support the differential and remove the 19mm bolts from either side. Lower the stand to help remove the upper and lower spacers, then toss them away, out with the old, in with the new. Locate the upper HFM spacers on top, and then raise the differential until it meets the subframe. Don't forget to apply Loctite to the bolts. When installing the bottom spacers, you'll notice there are two notches. You'll need to align these with the OEM bushes. This is where the magic happens. Tighten and torque the bolts to the setting listed on the screen. Lower your differential and you're good to go.